Today, I'll guide you through a pathway to earning by simply watching videos online by 6 legend apps. These apps span across nearly every country globally. Therefore, regardless of whether you reside in the United States, UK, Canada, or any other country, you can download these apps and start your journey toward earning. The beauty lies in their compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. 1. Swagbucks.com. Swagbucks has firmly established itself as a leading platform for earning rewards online. Its global accessibility allows users from anywhere in the world to engage with the platform seamlessly, whether they're using an Android or iOS device. Users have a variety of ways to earn rewards, including gaming, watching videos, and completing surveys. When it comes to withdrawing earnings, Swagbucks offers flexibility with a minimum balance requirement of just $5 for PayPal and other gift card options. Amazon gift card withdrawals have an even lower threshold of $1, making it convenient for users to access their earnings. With its user-friendly interface and diverse earning opportunities, Swagbucks remains a popular choice for individuals looking to earn rewards while engaging in their favorite online activities. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or simply earn rewards for your online efforts, Swagbucks provides a reliable and accessible platform to meet your needs. 2. Cash Karma. Cash Karma offers a multitude of earning opportunities, ranging from completing surveys and tasks to the pivotal feature of watching videos within the app's bonus section. What sets Cash Karma apart is its low withdrawal threshold of just $5, making it easily attainable through activities like video watching and completing various offers. Once this milestone is reached, users can seamlessly withdraw their earnings to their preferred method, whether it be PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or other available options tailored to their country's offerings. The platform also sweetens the deal by awarding new users with a 300-point sign-up bonus, providing an instant boost to their earning potential. Furthermore, Cash Karma caters to a wide user base by being accessible on both Android and iOS devices. Android users can conveniently download the app from the Google Play Store under the name Cash Karma Serve Rewards, while iOS users can locate it on the App Store labeled as Cash Karma Surveys. This cross-platform availability ensures that users can easily access and utilize Cash Karma's earning features regardless of their device preference. With its user-friendly interface and diverse payment options, Cash Karma stands as a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to monetize their time spent online. 3. Featured Points. Featured Points has solidified its position in the online earning realm since its inception in 2012, having disbursed over $6 million to its user base. This track record underscores its legitimacy as a reliable avenue for making money online. With both a website and an app interface, Featured Points caters to users across various devices, including computers, laptops, Android, and iOS devices. While the app hosts the majority of video offers, it's advisable to leverage Featured Points on your mobile device for optimal accessibility. Aside from video watching, Featured Points boasts additional earning opportunities such as engaging in contests where users can instantly win up to 50,000 points through simple scratch-offs. Furthermore, users can augment their earnings by completing straightforward surveys or by downloading diverse apps and games onto their mobile devices. With a modest minimum withdrawal threshold of $5, users can swiftly accumulate earnings on Featured Points. Withdrawals can be seamlessly transferred to PayPal accounts or redeemed in the form of Bitcoin or various gift cards, including popular options like Amazon, PlayStation, and Starbucks. This versatility ensures that users worldwide can reap the rewards offered by Featured Points, making it a compelling choice in the realm of online earning platforms. 4. MyPoints. MyPoints serves as a versatile platform for earning rewards, bolstered by its intuitive app compatible with both Android and iOS devices. While its cornerstone lies in rewarding online shopping endeavors with attractive cashback rewards, the platform extends its earning potential across various avenues. Users can diversify their earnings by completing surveys, immersing themselves in mobile gaming, and, notably, indulging in video watching to accrue rewards. The Earn section of the app serves as a gateway to a plethora of video offers, further enriching users' earning opportunities. With a modest withdrawal threshold of just $5, users can swiftly convert their accumulated earnings into cash or opt to redeem them for a wide array of gift cards available on the platform. However, it's important to note that MyPoints currently confines its services to users residing in the United States and Canada, thereby limiting accessibility on a global scale. Nevertheless, despite this geographical limitation, MyPoints continues to stand out as an enticing option for individuals seeking to effectively monetize their online endeavors. 5. App Karma. App Karma presents an enticing earning opportunity, primarily catering to Android users through its dedicated app. For iOS device users, access is facilitated through the Safari browser by following the provided link. The platform primarily revolves around earning by downloading and installing various apps and games, offering incentives for each installation. Additionally, users can explore a section dedicated to watching video ads of other apps, further expanding their earning potential. Upon logging into their account, users can navigate to the bonus section to access these video ads and earn money online. One of App Karma's standout features is its global accessibility, allowing users from any corner of the world to participate and earn rewards. When it comes to withdrawals, users have the flexibility to choose between PayPal or redeeming their earnings in the form of different gift cards available on the platform. While PayPal withdrawals require a minimum balance of $10, users can opt for gift card redemptions with a lower threshold of just $5. Additionally, new users are greeted with a generous 300-point sign-up bonus upon joining the platform, providing an immediate boost to their earning potential. 6. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars caters to users with both a website and a user-friendly app, ensuring a seamless earning experience across Android and iOS devices. Its diverse range of income-generating methods includes surveys, cashback offers, gaming activities, and video watching, all easily accessible upon logging in. The platform's Trustpilot rating of over 4.2 stars and verified company status attest to its legitimacy, instilling confidence in users seeking to earn money online. New users are greeted with a generous $5 sign-up bonus, provided completely free of charge, further incentivizing participation. While the initial withdrawal threshold is set at $30, which includes the sign-up bonus, subsequent withdrawals are reduced to a minimum of $10. Withdrawals can be conveniently processed through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or various other available gift card options, ensuring flexibility and ease of access for users. With its user-centric approach and commitment to providing legitimate earning opportunities, Inbox Dollars stands out as a reputable platform in the online earning landscape, offering a pathway to financial rewards for users worldwide. Thank you for exploring 6 legitimate apps for making money. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more ways to boost your income.